Welcome to a tranquil retreat, where serenity is at your fingertips. Today, we invite you to take a tour inside a modern farmhouse and immerse yourself in its calming embrace. As you step inside this haven of tranquility, you're greeted by an open-concept living space adorned with rustic charm. The natural light that pours in through the large windows brings a sense of warmth and serenity. The clean and minimalist design allows each carefully chosen element to shine, creating a harmonious atmosphere. The neutral color palette, with its soothing tones, further enhances the peaceful ambience. Make your way to the heart of the home, the kitchen. Its sleek and modern design is seamlessly integrated with farmhouse elements, giving it a unique touch. The spacious countertops and state-of-the-art appliances make it a perfect sanctuary for aspiring chefs and food lovers. Just off the kitchen, you'll find a cozy dining area. Surrounded by windows that offer a breathtaking view of the surrounding landscape, it's a space that encourages connection and conversation. Venture further into the farmhouse, and you'll discover a haven of relaxation, the master bedroom. With its plush linens and carefully curated decor, it exudes a sense of calm. This sanctuary of peace is complemented by a luxurious ensuite bathroom, where you can unwind and rejuvenate. Step outside onto the expansive deck, and let nature's symphony embrace you. The lush greenery, chirping birds, and gentle breeze create a serene backdrop. It's the perfect place to enjoy a cup of coffee in the morning or unwind after a long day. In this modern farmhouse, even the smallest details have been carefully considered to create a space that nurtures the soul. Its serene ambience is a testament to the importance of finding tranquility amidst the chaos of everyday life. We hope you've enjoyed this journey through this modern farmhouse oasis. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content.